Raila Junior negaceri tukoria rero atoniwe guse anontiwa kobomurai bwe amate ya Odinga litukeriga rero moyiga boko mutiani gusiboko monontia nigokorekana asenka yabo ensemo yebunge ya Bonde county ya Siaya ase amentera gusesa matera n'ekitengo cyegekoro n'ebimira byaenekigwa tomonyore muri Ketu Clinton Ondigi no roboti oruo.
Raila Odinga Junior Halamisi hasenchira ya bene nigatia nigwa koba homurai bwe amate ya Odinga asumoiga bwe gekoro oyokorekana asenka yabo ensemo yebunge ya Bondo county ya Siaya. Moigo yo nigo oenekia hebimira amatera na bwigo chitengo chigekoro aniga gocha amatukanuka maiga ya tatu mwa Raila Odinga koeni walitukira Jumapili tariki 19 chumutionyoiga.
This is a very great day for us, the fourth day, and we did that when my father Jaramogi left us, and we don't want to disregard the culture.
Kurengana na mumurumu wa Raila Oburu Oginga oyibo igoro moseneta bwe county ya Siaya nigo aerera bune nigere bune nchire ya moyo koenekia ya mate ya Raila kogenderere inse obura yobuya.
This is a traditional ceremony to symbolically give the son of the departed my brother the late Raila Molo Odinga, his son Junior Raila, the seat of power of the home. The seat of the power of the home. He is now the leader of this home together with the mom. The mom will be there to give him all the advices he needs, but he must stand firm. He must stand firm and lead the home in as per our culture.
Omoigo yo nigo oikiranwa ne amate ya Raila abairi hamo nabarai begesaku kyabagere ase Raila Junior haigwa enguba yegekoro ritimo na obo igwariyo unenjire yamo yogo ikirania hegekoro ikukego tebekana nga omumura homutangi na ereho koira hoborai hekero ise asiririe obugima bwae.
Junior will do a little shaving for you, and then after and your wife after that little shaving is done, then you are going to be given the necessary instruments of power and you will display it, and then things will continue and it will not be long.
Clinton Ondigi, Nsoko TV.